Hello. This video is designed to show you how to do U4A4 Part B. U4A4 Part B. So here's the first part of the assignment, and here's Part B. Okay, and you need to create this little spreadsheet, save it, and put it in the Dropbox. So what I'm going to show you is I'm going to slide this out of the way. Whoops. And I'm going to go to my Google Spreadsheets. Now, if you've got Microsoft Excel, it works the same way. Oops. I'm just going to slide this out of the way for a second. Okay, so I'm going to duplicate what was on that page. So I've got A, B, C. Actually, I need to put those in there. Okay, so I've got age, years, yearly contribution, I'm just going to format that so that it wraps. Oops. There we go. And year-end value. Year-end value. Okay. So this matches up with what the document's saying here. Okay. Now what I can do is I'll take all these and I'll center them. And I'm actually going to take this word here and I'm just going to hit Control-Shift, Control-Enter to move it to the next line. Okay, so this matches up nicely now with this, right? Age, years, yearly contribution, year-end value. Now I'm going to enter the next row of data. So age 19, years 1, and it says in the question that the person puts in $3,000 a year. Now, in this next cell, you need to put a formula, and formulas start with an equal sign. And then what we do is we take C2, so the cell address at C2, which is right here. If I click on it, take C2, then I multiply, that's the asterisk key. I'm going to put a bracket here just to make it crystal clear, 1.08. Because in the question it says the interest rate is going to be 8%. So we multiply it by 1.08 so that it includes the 3,000. Enter. And then we enter a formula here, which is, again, it's equal to, and then we take this one, A2, and we just add 1. And then this one is going to be equal to, right here, B2, add 1 to it. And this remains 3,000. And the formula here is going to be equal to, and I'm going to start with a bracket here because I want to take D2, which is this, whatever value is here. So I'm going to take D2, so take the year-end value and add C3. So whatever we put in, which is 3,000, bracket that. Okay. Then multiply it, bracket by the 1.08. Gives us our next figure here. Now, the nice thing about a spreadsheet is when you click on one of the cells, this little grab handle allows you to copy the formula down. Oop. That didn't work. Just a second here. going to delete that out of here. This should be equal to B2 right here, plus 1, enter. Yeah, so I didn't do that correctly earlier. So I'm going to grab that. Contribute, it's always going to be 3,000. And then if you grab this one, and then with this row here, I suggest that once you've got it highlighted, you just format it to numbers, 2 decimal places. See that? Now, they'd like you to do this. Let's see, the question says down to B47. So you want to put this all the way down to 47. Right to the person's page, age 64. Oh, until he turns 65. Let's go one more. Go. Yeah, there's the 47 right there. Okay, and then take this one all the way down to here. Okay, that's how you do that assignment. Be sure to save it. U4A4 part B. And you're going to put it in right here, this Dropbox here. Okay, enjoy the rest of the day. Hope you found that useful.